As you plan, build, or remodel that perfect playground, don't forget the border. It may be a little lower on the list, but playground borders give any playground a certain aesthetic, a clean look, something that says, hey, this is a playground and I'm looking good. But it's more than looks. Borders add longevity and help divide play areas by age or use. Most important, they help keep crucial safety surfacing like wood or rubber mulch inside the play area, where it belongs, where it's needed. Borders also help to minimize cleanup and maintenance. Let's look at your choices. Wood or plastic timbers are common in smaller areas, but they have their downsides. Plastic timbers typically aren't very tall. They sink into the ground, get stepped on, and easily wear down. Wood timbers can have a natural look, but they might be too short to be effective, and wood disintegrates and eventually splinters. PlaygroundEquipment.com has two great choices for your landscaping and playground borders: flexible, bendable, recycled rubber curbs and plastic border timbers by Park Curb. Both come in different heights, are easy to install, maintain, and replace if need be. The popular Park Curb plastic timbers come in black and have a wood grain finish on one side and a rough hide finish on the other. Made from high-quality, commercial-grade plastic, they're available in 8-inch and 12-inch heights. Plastic timbers create a clean, precise edge around the play area. They're 4 feet long with an interlocking overlap at both ends to join them together. Each timber comes with a 30-inch long stake. All you need is a large hammer to pound it into the surface. A recessed area hides the stake. Not only do our borders help keep loose surfacing in, they help keep unwanted and unwelcome things out, like bikes, scooters, and other toys, by discouraging bike riding and other activities. Borders can help keep out trash and other yard waste, keeping your play area cleaner. Our recycled rubber curb borders turn it up a notch in the looks and flexibility department. They can be bent to customize your look. Our rubber borders curbs are 6 feet long with an overlap to join them together. You buy the steel stakes separately. It comes with plugs to fill in the spike holes. They come in 3 different heights: 4 inches, 6 inches, and 8 inches. And there are 3 color choices. While borders help keep bikes and other materials out of the play area, you don't want them to be a barrier to kids with physical challenges. We have ADA-compliant ramps to make the playground inclusive for all children, creating inclined entrance and exit points. Retaining safety surfacing, less maintenance, long-lasting, and well-defined play areas with good looks. Make sure to order the border at PlaygroundEquipment.com.